Hello everyone, this is Vanda Mishra, and today we are going to discuss the topic which is about the what to do if your husband or wife is having an extramarital affair. So this topic name is this yeah that what are the remedies we have if any husband or wife is having any extramarital affair. So we will go with all these things. Okay, we will deal with these things in this video. So first of all, let's give a quick introduction to this topic. That is, in Indian institution the marriage is considered to be a pure and holy. This means that in India, marriage is considered to be a very pure thing. And if in Indian society someone is having an extramarital affair, then it is considered to be a morally wrong. Okay, because you can understand that if a person is married to someone else and are in sexual relationship with someone else, then it is a very morally and ethically a wrong thing. Okay, and if we will see across in any religion like Hinduism, Sikhism, in anything, if we will see, then it is a very wrong practice. Okay, so we will get to know that what are the earlier provisions regarding this and what are the present provisions in India regarding this. So in earlier period, like in the earlier laws states that, like in uh, before 2017, an extramarital affair, which is also known as the adultery, is considered to be a criminal offense. Okay, and we used to get a strict punishment for this. Okay, like it is a criminal offense. You can understand like how much it would be sensitive if it considers a criminal offense. So it is covered under the IPC section 497. uh, Extramarital affair is a penal offense which is defined under section 497 of Indian Penal Code. Okay, so uh, in earlier time this was a criminal offense. Matlab, this means that it was a very strict, and there was a very strict laws against it. But as the time changes, and as the time change, the people grow, then the in present situation it has been decriminalized by honorable court. Okay, in case of Joseph versus Shine, uh, this means that as the time changes after 2000, in 2020, in 2017, there is a long debate on extramarital affair, and it has been decriminalized by our honorable court. Okay, so now it is not that much of high velocity offense. Okay, this is a offense like uh, this is a offense which is morally wrong. This is a thing which is a morally wrong or ethically wrong, but this is not the thing like which is used to be before 2017. Okay, like criminal offense type. Okay, now what are the remedies which are mentioned under the Hindu Marriage Act. Okay, so we all know that India there are two personal laws. There are many personal laws. Basically, there are many personal laws. Every religion have their own personal law. So for Hindus there is a Hindu Marriage Act, and for Muslims there is a Muslim Marriage Act. So these are the act basically which are under the personal laws of every religions. Okay, so in Hindu Marriage Act basically, the in Hindu Marriage Act, so basically, in Hindu Marriage Act, there are some remedies which are given. Like first is the ground for divorce. Like if your husband or wife is having an extramarital affair, then what can be done is like you can go to the court and get a divorce from that person. Like it is mentioned in section 13(1), 13 clause 1 subclause I of Hindu Marriage Act, that if any person is having an extramarital affair with other person, then his or her spouse will can go to the court and apply for the divorce. So this is the basically, this means that having an extramarital affair is an ground for divorce under Hindu Marriage Act. Okay, now Now the second remedy that a person have if his or her spouse is having an extramarital affair, it's like ground for judicial separation. This means like if anybody is involved in adultery, then it is not only the ground for divorce but also a ground for judicial separation. Like the person will get the legal remedy for that. Okay. And now the last and third thing is like the court has many times said that adultery amount to cruelty. Like if the spouse of any person is having an adultery relationship with someone else, then the person then this adultery will be defined as a cruelty. But there is a exceptions also, like this differs from situation to situations, and this differs from the uh, person to person. Okay. So maybe in some cases it is cruelty, but maybe in some cases it is not cruelty. So these are the basically things which we can do when our partner is having an extramarital affair. Okay. So now this is all guys for today's topic. We have dealt with all the remedies which are mentioned in the Hindu Marriage Act, what I stated in earlier law, what are the present situation of having such type of conditions. Then we all have discussed all these things. Now let's end this topic with this. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to Law Minds.